Welcome to this tour of luxury balcony number 10245. Starting then, as soon as we walk in the door, you'll see you have the temperature thermostat here. You've got your makeup and do not disturb buttons. And then you've got your slot there to pop your card in, which operates all of the lights, including the bathroom. Really nice full length mirror. And then moving around to the wardrobe on the left hand side, you've got lots of shelf space. Dropping down to 3 soft close drawers. And then moving to the other side, you've got an almost full length wardrobe. Excuse my bag. Then you've got this, so it doesn't go all the way to the floor of the wardrobe. There are more than enough hangers for me. Whether that will be enough for 2 of you, that will be for you to decide, and obviously speak to the room attendant if you need more. And then you've got these funky lights by the bed, very touch sensitive, both the main and the spot. Master switch there as well, and which I love, you've also got USB there as well. Bedside cabinets, all very open, no drawers, it's all open space. I've got the bed set up in the full configuration, but as always, you can set them up as 2 singles if you want to. And then exactly the same on this side of the bed. And as we move around, there is another full length mirror. This is really wide too, so that's huge. Although I'm not sure how beneficial it would be when you stood that close to it. Hi, by the way. Then you've got your TV. Quite a big TV there. And it does swivel. Got your telephone, a few useful leaflets, and then you've got more here. So as well as the USB, 1 USB either side of the bed, you've also got 2 here, along with 2 US sockets. Yet another mirror. And then you've got 2 European sockets here. Ice bucket glasses, and then your mini bar, all fully stocked. You've got peanuts and other snacks in there, as well as sodas, waters, juices, and some miniature spirits there, and some beer. Down to below the cabinet space here in the room. So on the end there are a couple of shelves on an angle, and then you have 3 drawers here. Or do you? So the first one absolutely is a drawer. It's got the hairdryer in it, as is the one at the bottom. However, the one in the middle is where the safe is kept. So not in the wardrobe, it is your middle drawer. And then you have down here, starting at the top, there's a drawer. And then you have a table and a stool. Table. And then your stool. So let's hop outside and take a look at the balcony. I haven't gone out here yet, so let's take a look. Compared to some, it is fairly narrow, but it's big enough for me. I'll just step back inside so you can see the full width of it. And not too much of an exciting view at the moment because we are docked in Dubai ahead of us leaving at 11 p.m. this evening. So that is the balcony. Let's step back inside. Just to say, if you hadn't already seen, there are 2 chairs and this small swingy table type made of the same material as the chairs. So lastly then, let's just hop back inside. There's a picture there as well. Incidentally, this sofa does convert to a sofa bed. So if you are travelling as a family or as friends, then there is additional space for more people by converting that into a sofa bed. So lastly then, let's take a look at the bathroom. What I love is that it is a proper shower door. It's not a curtain, and there's your shower head. You've got your temperature and your pressure controls, and then you've got shampoo and shower gel with MSC's signature fragrance, which I absolutely love the smell of MSC. And then yet another massive mirror. Your sink area. You've got cupboard space under there. In a bin, that's exciting. And then you have got a magnified mirror that can be really useful for shaving or makeup or whatever you normally use it for. Shelves there, and that is just about it. Apart from hooks by the door so you can store your jackets or whatever you want to put on there. So that is the tour of room 10245 luxury balcony on MSC World Europa.